Hello, this is David Allen for the amazing iPad website, and today we're going to be talking about Textkraft. This is a nice little tool for authors and writers. You can use it just for getting down there and doing some writing. It's got an extra keyboard there which makes it easy for moving about your text. We'll have a look at that in a moment. It's got some pretty good tools in there for doing some stuff with dictionaries, and it's got a thesaurus function too. If you're using it just for working on your writing, you can see that we've got some capitalization tools. We've got some undo or redo buttons, which is handy because you don't normally get that on the iPad. And then you can do some navigating through your text, going either one word at a time to the left or right to the ends of the lines using those buttons there. Look, we can move through the text going up or down, one character at a time, or to the left or to the right. Now, it's handy to have some quick access keys to some things that we might use quite a lot. And in this case, we've got the quote marks, either the double quote or the single quote. And there's the dash key and also the tab key. Nice. So if we just tap on this button here for the dictionary, and what pops up is the box that gives us information about the word. So as you can see, the cursor only has to be next to a word. In this case, it's next to the word business. And it gives us a bunch of synonyms. Those are all coloured in yellow. The words that are in purple, those are words that are spelt similarly. The words in blue, well, what that does is that gives us words that we've been able to put a prefix or a suffix to it. That rather depends upon where the X button is being set. And then you've got some words in orange there, and they're just kind of words that are kind of related in somehow or other. Very handy. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to have the word business replaced by the words business enterprise. Just click on the use button and it's in there. So moving on, let's click on this info button here, and what we've got here is we've got an information about the document we're working on. We've got when it was created and modified, we've got how long we spent working on it, and we've got the size of the file in bytes. Very nice. So if we have a look too, we've got the usual stuff where we've got the average amount of words per sentence. We've also got the usual sort of stuff with the how many characters, the word count, and how many lines are in the text. So finally, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this button here, the one that looks like a book that's opening, and this will take us to some online dictionaries. We can have it take us to Wikipedia, and it'll do a search for that word in Wikipedia, or we've got Wiktionary, and of course the Oxford English Dictionary and Etymology Dictionary as well. So there you go, we've got Textkraft, which is a useful application for your iPad, and it's great for writers. Very good to use, especially if you're doing NaNoWriMo in the month of November. So this is David Allen for the amazing iPad website, and if you'd like to go and have a look at the new website I've just created called No Stylus, on that one there, I'm not going to be looking just at the iPad, but I'm going to be also looking at the iPhone and the iPod Touch as well. I might even have a look at one or two non-Apple touchscreen devices if I get round to it. Bye-bye now. Talk to you again soon.